So now let's see how we can work around with Unsharp Mask inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have this bird right here, and if I want to go ahead and work around with Unsharp Mask for this, then I need to go around under Effects, then I need to go around over here under Sharpen, and over here you can see that Unsharp Mask is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it simply increases out the sharpness right here. So if I were to go ahead and decrease the percentage and increase the percentage right here to change around the sharpness right here. Then you can also go ahead and change around the radius of the sharpness right here, just like this, as you can see. And apart from that, you also have the threshold. As you can see, you can increase and decrease the threshold, and then this is what you have, as you can see. And this is how you can go ahead and utilize the Unsharp Mask to go ahead and sharpen out the image as you like this. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the Unsharp Mask effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.